Good morning, team. It's been about a week and a half since I installed my Saddlemen seat onto the Heritage, and I have to say it's been an absolute game changer. So that little lip right there, when you accelerate on the stock seat, I always felt like I was sliding off the back and having to hang on to the handlebars. With the Saddlemen seat, this is a common thing that everyone says, so I'm not Robinson Crusoe by any means, but just the fact that you nestle your bum right into the back of that. With acceleration, you don't feel like you're sliding off the back. In fact, it just feels so comfortable and very confidence inspiring, to use a motoring journalist term that's overused. But I absolutely love it. So the install of the Saddlemen seat was super easy. The stock seat came in a solo seat plus a pillion pad on the back. So obviously you remove the pillion pad, remove the stock seat. There was 2 screws that hold the rear of the stock seat on. Once they're unscrewed, there's a bracket underneath the guard that has to be removed so this seat can sit flat across the top. But that's as simple as it gets. It clicks into the front clip just like every seat does. And coming around the back, just underneath the rack, you can see that one screw. It's just fastened with that one screw. So for me, from a visual point of view, the lattice stitching is absolutely beautiful. It just changes the look of the bike. Again, I copped a bit of flack for buying a Heritage and hating the studs that was around the seats of the Heritage. But hey, I mean, Harley-Davidson is there to be modified. I really quite like the little bit of studs on the bag now, the little bit of studs coming down the tank strap, and now having them not on the seat, for me, makes the bike more visually appealing, and that's just personal opinion. Now, this particular seat that I got has the really big touring pad for the pillion for added comfort. Now, obviously, that does make the back of the bike look a little bit chunky. There's no doubt about that. That's for some people to like and some people to not like. Personally, I don't like the visual of having that chunky pillion pad, but the practicality far outweighs it for my needs. This is the stock sized sissy bar backrest, and as you can see, it's really jammed up underneath that pillion pad. So I'm potentially thinking about getting a slightly larger backrest. I think it might look a little bit more pleasing to the eye and probably more practical for anyone who jumps on the back with me as well, to have some back support a little bit higher than just at the bum. But in general, super happy with it. Now, I want to give a big shout out to partsoutlet.com.au. This came from them, and they are importers of everything V-twin from America. Their range is absolutely huge. I invite you to head over to their website and have a look. And I think that you'll probably find almost everything that you want for your Harley-Davidsons or your Indians on their website, so go and check them out. Now, I have to say that I've only done about 1,000 kilometers on the seat so far, and so far so good. It's a big thumbs up from me. The comfort improvement from stock is incredible. The support is incredible, and just at the end of the day, I feel like I could keep going. What I will do too, I will come back to you in about 4,000 or 5,000 kilometers and give you an update review on this seat, purely about the seat and how it's coped over the 5,000 kilometers. So if that interests you, make sure you hit subscribe and come along for the ride, and over time I will keep you updated. Anyway, folks, until the next video, stay safe, throttle on. I'll see you soon.